I told Claude AI to set up my MACD in TradingView with the settings professional traders use. The twist, I never told it what those settings are. Let's see if it finds them. Now I have a harder task, but I think you can do it. What I want you to do is that I want you to add a MACD indicator using the same method. Use the indicators tab and add a normal MACD. But then I want you to change the settings to Linda Raschke's settings. And to find out the settings, you will probably have to look it up. I'm not gonna tell you the settings. You need to find them out yourself, but I'm sure you can do it. So add the MACD, change the settings to Linda Raschke settings, and yeah, that is your task. And then we hit enter and let Claude do its thing. This is a pretty complex task, so I assume it will have to think for quite a while. But hopefully it can do that. So it's already looking here. It added a few tasks. You can see it's searching the web. It's looking for the right settings here. So I think it will be able to do it. But I will be back when Claude has done its job. All right, guys, so Claude is already done here with the task. This was actually pretty fast. I wonder if you can see the thinking time. It was pretty damn fast, to be honest. Done, the MACD is on your chart with Linda Raschke's settings. So here, it looks like it actually researched that the correct settings is the famous 310 oscillator. That is correct. It has a fast length of 3, a slow length of 10, and a signal length of 16. So let's double check that the work here is correct. We go to the settings tab. We go to inputs, and just like that, beautifully, we have the 31016 MACD, which is the Linda Raschke MACD settings. So Fable was able to do both of these things. And guys, this is just scratching the surface. I've showed you how to add indicators and how to automatically check settings. But you can, of course, also ask Claude any question about the indicators. So here you have, I highly recommend to, experiment as much as possible. The opportunities are basically endless. But right, so now the next workflow of this video was just a super short clip from our full course on how to use Claude together with TradingView. To watch the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here.